What would happen if the power went out permanently? The U.S. energy grid, our most critical infrastructure, is dangerously outdated and increasingly under threat from cyber attacks, EMPs, and physical sabotage. If it fails, everything from hospitals to financial systems could collapse within days. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your support helps this channel grow and keeps you informed on crucial developments like this one. The U.S. energy grid is split into three major regions: the Texas Interconnected System, the Western Interconnection, and the Eastern Interconnection. Together, they link over 7,000 power plants via hundreds of thousands of miles of high-voltage lines and about 70,000 substations. But here's the problem. Most of this infrastructure is more than 30 years old. As demand skyrockets, especially from data centers whose energy use is set to triple by 2028, the grid is increasingly prone to cascading failures. One fault can trigger a domino effect across the system. And if that's not bad enough, the grid is a prime target for cyber attacks, EMPs, and even physical sabotage. Solar flares, like the historic 1859 Carrington event, can damage transformers and electronics across wide areas. An EMP from a high-altitude nuclear detonation could be even worse. According to former CIA Director James Woolsey, an EMP event could lead to mass starvation and societal collapse. Cyber threats are also on the rise. Attackers exploited the Colonial Pipeline in 2021, and Russian cyber attacks once blacked out 700,000 people in Ukraine. AI tools now enable even more sophisticated threats to our power systems. The US GAO warns that remote access systems and internet-connected devices expand the attack surface dramatically. So what can be done? Experts recommend modernizing with smart sensors, automation, and microgrids that operate independently during crises. Critical infrastructure should be shielded with EMP surge arresters and hardened electronics. We also need better training, emergency plans, and coordination between government and private utilities. Former President Trump signed Executive Order 13865 to make EMP protection a national priority. But real progress requires serious investment and leadership. As more people become aware of the risks, there's a growing mandate to act fast and protect what powers modern civilization. Make sure to check out the related video in the corner to learn more about how AI is reshaping national security.